Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing to take the Business Education Content Knowledge exam? This is Praxis test code 5101. This comprehensive exam covers several subtopics, and today we will focus on law and international business. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Problem number 1. An instructor writes a textbook for their course and wants to make sure it cannot be reproduced by others, so the instructor should seek a patent, copyright, trademark, or open source designation. A patent protects inventions and does not apply to written works. A trademark protects brand names and logos, not written content. An open source designation allows for free use and modification by others, which is the opposite of preventing reproduction. An instructor should seek a copyright to ensure their textbook cannot be reproduced by others, as it protects original works of authorship. Problem number 2. Who is involved in the review process in an appellate review? A judge and jury? A judge, prosecutor, and defense attorney? A panel of 3 judges? Or a panel of 5 anonymous reviewers? A judge and jury are typically involved in trial courts, not appellate reviews. A judge, prosecutor, and defense attorney are part of the trial process, and again, not the appellate review. A panel of 5 anonymous reviewers is associated with academic or peer reviews. In an appellate review, a panel of 3 judges is involved in examining the decision of a lower court. Problem number 3. In which of the following economic systems do private individuals own the resources? Communist, traditional, command, or market? In a communist economic system, resources are owned collectively by the community or state. In a traditional economic system, resources are allocated based on customs and traditions. In a command economic system, the government owns and controls resources. In a market economic system, private individuals own the resources, allowing for private ownership and free market operations. What explains how a company or party gathers, utilizes, and holds consumer data? Cookies policy, privacy policy, database privacy, or information privacy? A cookies policy explains how a company uses cookies on its website. Database privacy refers to protecting data stored in databases from unauthorized access. Information privacy encompasses the broader practice of managing personal data. A privacy policy explains how a company or party gathers, utilizes, and holds consumer data. I hope this video has provided clarity on the types of questions you will encounter in the Law and International Business section of the Praxis 5101 exam. If you found this information helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. With Study.com support, you will be well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Best of luck with your exam preparation. Bye for now.